Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Kareen TV. It is your girl Kareen with another video, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be reviewing the products that I have received from Curl Box. So Curl Box is a monthly subscription. Essentially you pay monthly and then they send you a few products from a particular brand to try out. In this Curl Box I have received products, in this Curl Box I have received products from Creme of Nature. So I have received 24-hour Edge Tamer. Not sure how much of this you guys can see, if you guys can see it, but yeah, there it goes. I also have received the Essential 7 Treatment Oil Repair for Moisture and Protection. I wonder if I could heat this up. Use on wet or dry hair. Sorry, when it says treatment oil, I automatically think like hot oil treatment. But this is also what I've received. Can you see? Focus, camera, focus. Focus, baby, focus. There we go. I don't know the name of this per se, like the exact name, because I've heard people say so many different names. I've heard people say a washing brush. And I assume that when they say washing brush, they mean like when you're in the shower, like you use this, and I'm gonna show it to you. So it's in a package. You use this brush. I guess they're trying to say you use this brush to wash out the product, or I don't know. I don't know. I've heard people say a massaging scalp brush or a scalp brush. I don't know the specific name, but I'm definitely gonna do all of this in my scalp once my hair is washed. Not even so much in the washing part, but I'm gonna try it more in the conditioning part and see how it works. I have the Creme of Nature Curl Quench Foaming Mousse Medium Hold for Defined Styles. And I believe there's a girl on Insta, I swear she uses this. I really want to say her name is Golden something, but I'll flash a picture of her hair quick. So you guys know who she is. She uses a lot of Creme of Nature. I really like her. She's pregnant right now. She's so cute. Anyways, I also have received the Creme of Nature Hydrating Curling Cream, Rich Moisture and Shine for Soft Defined Curls. And, oh, I gotta show this one to you, don't I? And then I have the Curl Repair Leave-In, locks in moisture for dry, damaged, coarse hair. So all of these, so far these three plus the Edge Tamer all say no sulfates, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. And then the Essential 7 Treatment Oil says no sulfate, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no silicone. So for those of you that are trying to go natural, you want to stay away from products that have sulfates, mineral oils, petroleum, and or silicones, because those are not good for your hair. And I love the fact that these products here do not have any of them in there. So I'm actually going to wash my hair. The Curl Box is not empty, so there's no shampoo in here, and there's no conditioner. So I'm actually going to be using my Cantu shampoo and conditioner for natural hair. I will leave the information in the description box below for those two, and I will also leave the information in the description box, or links rather, to the specific products so you can have a better understanding of what they are and review on your own or search on your own what they're supposed to do. So yes, I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash my hair with those. I'm also going to use this scalp oil, or what? Scalp oil? Why the frick did I say scalp oil? Scalp brush rather. And I think I'm going to do a combination. I'm not gonna use, you know what? Maybe I will. I have a Cantu detangler, and that is what I use religiously on my hair once I wash it to detangle my hair, and I start from the ends to the root. I think I may use a little bit of that with some leave-in, and then I will use, and I don't want to put too much product in my hair. I am kind of in the middle of kind of wanting to use both of these. And when I say both of these, I mean the Hydrating Curling Cream and the mousse, because I feel like the mousse is gonna hold my twist out, and this is gonna keep it hydrated and define my curls. Decisions. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then in the morning, I will use this to separate my twist out when I pull it out, and then separate the hair. And I may or may not use this in the morning, but we'll see. And you guys will also see the get ready with me using my Fenty foundation. I recently just got it, and the link for that video will be in the description box down below. So I will be back, like I've been saying. I'll be back. I'm gonna wash my hair, and again, I'm using Cantu to wash my hair and Cantu to detangle, but for the brunt of everything else, I'll be using the Creme of Nature. I haven't used Creme of Nature since I was 10 maybe, and I'm old, kinda. Anyways, I haven't used their line in a very long time. I kind of felt like they fell off, and then there was a whole bunch of other brands that came about, so I'm really excited to go back to basics in a sense and try this out. So okay, I'll be back. Let me wash my hair. Hey guys, so I am back. I have washed my hair. So what I actually did was I used that, well, before I jumped in the shower to wash my hair, I googled whatever that brush was. I had somebody say a deep cleansing brush or deep cleaning brush or something like that. So what I did was I shampooed my hair 3 times. The first time obviously doesn't lather up the best. The second time I used the brush part in my hair, and I used the brush all over my scalp. Third time I didn't do it. I rinsed out my hair, conditioned my hair, and I did the same thing with the brush. Rinsed it out, put more conditioner, left it in for a bit, and then rinsed it out. So here is what my hair looks like. I know that the black background doesn't necessarily help, but yeah, my head feels light though. Head feel light. So normally I just part my hair, however in 4 my part is not going to be straight. I don't care for my part to be straight. If you see me looking to the right, it's because my makeup vanity is there and the mirror. So well, my makeup vanity mirror is there, so just so I can kind of see, because this screen is a little bit small. So so I can't completely see everything that I'm doing, but we will go from there. So I've decided not to put the leave-in in my hair, just because I feel like me already using the hydrating curling cream and the mousse, not to mention the Coil Calm Detangler by Cantu, which is right here. I think that'd be a little bit too much. So for right now, I'm just going to do that hydrating curling cream and the mousse and do a twist out, and hopefully the twist out turns out the way that I want it to. So I've sectioned my hair in 4 and I will just section however I don't normally do small twist outs. Like before I used to do half of this, split this in half and do my twist out from there, but I'm not a big fan of when it is too small, if that makes any sense. I just don't like how it looks on my head anyways.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if I put it up against my green towel, you can kind of see. Okay, so I'm gonna do this throughout the rest of my head.
Or if I had another man tasting your honey, I love you still, even with the pain you bring. I love you still, it really goes against my will. I love you still, even with the pain you bring. I love you still. You didn't do all the things that I mentioned. You put me down, you messed around. You didn't do all the things that a man could. You messed with my head, should've loved me instead. You knew I wasn't let better make it happen. Never had no fear cause I would always.
Hey guys, so I am back. I have finished my twist. Honestly, my hair looks hydrated. It feels good. I never normally do it this, well, I shouldn't say that. Like, I do have my moments where I do it this small. I usually like to twist my hair bigger, as I mentioned previously. But I decided, you know, trying Creme of Nature again for the first time in a very long time, let me do something different than I normally do, which is my bigger twist. Like maybe 3 of these would be 1 twist is what I used to do. And like I said, kind of lazy. Okay, so I literally used this last week end because I want to give myself a nice treatment. And so this is what it looks like. And then you put the dryer at this end. Because I live in a different town that doesn't have that much ethnic products, I had to drive to Brampton. Not that I had to drive to Brampton, but I had to get it from Brampton or Toronto. And because I was already in Brampton, I just went to the hair store in Brampton and picked this up. However, the hole here was way too small, so I had to cut it to get my dryer in there. So I don't know if it's made for specific dryers, but I had to make it work. Because who was gonna drive the half an hour to return it? Not me! So not me. So I'm gonna do this for roughly 15-20 minutes and then hit the sack. Oh, gotta get my my electricity bar going on. And there's a little hook for it, I guess, to hang the dryer so it's not in your lap or something. Sorry. Hey, good morning guys. So I'm back with the remainder of this video, part 2. Hair feels a bit dry. I'm just gonna take a few drops of the Essential 7 treatment oil. Oh, it smells good. And I know I'm getting right into this video, but last night my hair is still a little bit, just a tad bit damp. Maybe I should have stayed under the dryer for a little bit longer. Normally if I do this earlier when I get in, by now the hair is dry. Like completely dry.
Never had no fear cause I would always be there. Never had to worry if I was moving funny, or if I had another man tasting your honey. I love you still.
And you know what? It looks like there's moisture in my hair. Ever since I had my daughter, I find sometimes when I do my twist outs, my hair looks dry. But in this case, not so much. And for any of you that's wondering about my makeup look, there will be a link in the description box below for that video.
Love you still. I love you still. Even with the pain.
So I will use my fingers and stretch it out, and then I'll go over it. Actually no, depends on how it looks. Sometimes I'll use my pick, but it's nice and full right now. So this is the final look. I know you probably can see the line there, but that's okay. I give this product a thumbs up, and I will definitely be using it again. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. If you are not already a subscriber, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video 2 big thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know if you've ever used any of these products that I've used and your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Now a pimper knows what a pimper likes. I'm taking you. It's been a long time since I've been in love, girl. And I'm feeling that feeling.